Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how I build and design my one product stores. So just like this store right over here, I was able to generate $2.2 million in around 60 days or so. So as you can see, I started the store around October 10th and I was able to scale this all the way up to $66,000 per day. This was actually featured in my first video, and then I slowly scaled back down towards Christmas. But if you guys look at the conversion rate, it's 5.01%. And if you guys don't know, the average conversion rate for an e-commerce store is actually around 2 to 3. The higher ones require a lot more work onto the store, and I was actually able to get a 5.01 with my design. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to show you actually one of my stores that I ran in February. So this is the store right here. It's called Flexi Relief. I was actually selling the knee massager. I think a lot of you guys know this product already. But as you can see right here, I started this product on February 8th and I was able to scale it all the way to $2,000 per day until it came crashing literally the next day on February 14th. It came crashing down because my ad account did get disabled. I'm going to show you my ad account right now. Alright, so here we go. This is February 8th on my ad account right here. As you can see, I spent a total of $110, and you can also see that my ad account is actually disabled on the store. But let's go into the ad sets, and I can show you that I had 8 ad sets, all at $20 each. I decided to do $20 because this is a little bit more expensive product. I think I was selling this for either $120 or $150. So if you go to a date that I made $2,000 with, you can see it's on February 13th. If we go back to our ad account, on February 13th, we spent a total of $905. So on this day, it was actually really profitable. But like I said, this ad account did end up getting disabled and I had to stop selling this product. This is why I'm able to show you this store. Let's go ahead and go into the products so you can see exactly what I had. So the product is called Knee Ease Pro. And let's click onto it, and you can see that this is a Shopify description right here, and this is exactly what I had on my store. I also had a couple more stuff that's on the theme level, so let's click on preview and you can see exactly how my product page looked like. So here you go. I had a really simple logo, and I had the name right here. I had a review stars over here, the price, and right after this is the sales points. So I had 3 sales points right here, and then right here I had the variant selector. I have 1 and 2. So basically if they buy 2, they'll save an extra 15% off, basically 1 for each knee. And I wrote most popular even though it's not the most popular. That's just to increase my AOV. But if you scroll all the way down, by the way, this is desktop view, so it looks a little bit better on mobile. I kind of optimized it for mobile. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my one product store. So now that you've seen one of my stores, let me go ahead and show you how I'm able to build this store step by step. So to build a store just like mine, you're going to need a Shopify plan. So if you guys want, you could go ahead and go to the description and click on my link. My link will give you 3 months for $1 per month. And it's actually the best deal that you can have out there right now. You also get 3 days for free, as you can see right here. No credit card required. And after that, all you need to pay is just $1 a month. So this $1 per month will also work on the most expensive plan. So I always recommend going for the most expensive plan and then changing it back to the cheapest one after the 3 months is over. This so that you get the cheapest rate on your credit card processors. So once you're creating your first Shopify store, you want to go ahead and go into products, and this is where you can start adding your first product. So for this example, we're going to still use the knee massager. So over here, let's call it the Knee Massager Pro. Just like the one where you had before, it was called Knee Ease Pro. So I have the description ready, and all we have to do is copy and paste it onto here. So what I have here is the quickest and most efficient method for alleviating knee pain in the comfort of your own home. So what you want to have is just 1 to 2 sentences describing what the product does and how it makes that customer's life better. But in this case, we have relieving your knee pain in the comfort of your own home. And right after that, you kind of want to go into a little bit more detail. So I have the Knee Ease Pro massager features advanced laser and infrared light therapy to alleviate chronic knee pain, swelling, stiffness, and more in just 10 minutes of use. And right after that, you kind of want to have an image or maybe a GIF to explain what the product does. So I already have a GIF. Here's the GIF that I found online. So you could get these GIFs from your competitors or even Amazon sometimes, and this is the one that I found. I kind of like this GIF because it shows the infrared technology working and also shows like a woman putting it on her knee, even her shoulders and elbows. And right after that, you want to have another selling point. So the next selling point that I have was this. I had convenient and easy to use. This because you could literally bring this massager anywhere. It's really portable and it's really small. You could literally just use it anywhere. So right after another selling point, you want to go to a little bit more detail, explaining why it is convenient and easy to use. So this is what I wrote. Our superior heating knee massager relaxes tight muscles, improves blood flow, and promotes long-term healing to support a more active and healthy lifestyle. Enjoy pain relief in the comfort of your own home without having to travel to a doctor or a therapist. So just like before, you kind of want to have another image, GIF, or even like a video to go along with it. So I have easy and convenient to use, and this is the picture that I found, and I photoshopped it so that there's a knee massager on these two old people that are just sitting on their couch and using it. And after that, you want to go into one more selling point. So in every given store, I always have at least 3 to 5 selling points. That is the sweet spot. You don't want to have like an even number because it'll look a little bit weird. So always have at least 3, 5, or sometimes even 7. So the next selling point that I have is that it relieves stress and also tension. So just like before, you want to go into a little bit more detail. So this is the description that I have over here for relieve stress and tension. Fall asleep to relaxing and soothing massages with 3 enjoyable heat and vibration modes. The massager can be adjusted to target specific areas of the knee, delivering target pain relief where you need it the most. And with that description, I found an image that looks really good alongside it. This image, I actually took it from Amazon. So that's what you could do. You could take either images from Amazon, your competitors, or even Google and AliExpress. So once you already found some pictures of your product, you want to go ahead and drag it into media over here. So let's drag in some of the pictures that I found. So you always want to put the best looking picture in the front. So in my opinion, I think this is the best looking one, and I'm gonna drag this over here, and let's do this right there, and I think this looks pretty well. So right after that, you want to go ahead and add some variants. So just like in my previous store, you saw that I had just 1 and also 2 with a 15% off. So this is where you would want to do it. You could choose quantity like this, and for option value, you want to just type in 1. And then in parentheses, you could do like 50% off. And then the second one, you could do like 2. And then parentheses, you could do like extra 15% off. And put like most popular. So people would think that a lot of people are actually buying multiple, and they'll also want to buy an extra one as well. So once you have that done, you want to go ahead and click save. So we're done with designing the store on the Shopify product page. Now we want to go into the theme and add a little bit more. So once you're in the theme editor, the first thing you want to do is change the theme colors. So let's go into theme settings and let's go ahead and click on colors. So for every one of my stores, I always have one main color and one secondary color. The secondary color is always going to be either white or black, and sometimes something else. But the first color, the main color, is always going to be the feel of that product. So if you're selling like a health product like this knee massager, you kind of want to go for like a greenish color because it's kind of related to health. There's always a color that resonates with the product, and you kind of have to just Google it or just look at what your competitor is doing. Alright, so now that you've done all of that, you want to go into the product itself. Once you're here, we can start editing the product on the theme. So the first thing that I always like to do is add a couple text. So let's go ahead and click a text box and let's drag it all the way up over here. So the main goal is to have 3 selling points right underneath the price. So let's drag this under price. Let's add another text block. Now that you have 3 text blocks, you want to go ahead and start filling it in. For the first text block, you want to have the first selling point. So the first selling point is advanced laser and infrared technology. This kind of explains what the product does. And right after that, we have convenient, non-invasive, and painless solution. And finally, we have safe, easy to use, drug-free alternative. And that's pretty much it for the selling points. For variant picker, you want to keep that. And quantity selector, so for this product, you want to get rid of it because you already have 1 and 2 over here. So let's go ahead and just click remove block. So for buy buttons, I always have dynamic checkout buttons. So if a customer is on their iPhone, it'll show Apple Pay. If a customer is on Google phone, it'll show Google Pay. And I think if they have PayPal enabled, I think it'll show PayPal instead. But I always have it checked because I offer all of those payment methods. If you guys don't offer those payment methods, you could go ahead and uncheck it and just have the add to cart button. And right after that, you want to have the description. So the description is basically the description that we wrote before on Shopify. So now it comes to the part where we have to edit the sections. So the first section that I always want to add is a rich text. So let's go ahead and click a rich text right there. So for this, I kind of use it a little bit differently than what they suggest. I usually put a quotation and put like a customer review on here. So let's get rid of buttons, and also let's get rid of share information. So this is where you want to put in like a customer testimonial, and this is the customer testimonial that I had. Don't let knee pain slow you down, run towards a better life with Knee Ease Pro. So if you guys look at this and think that this is out of place, that's completely fine because 99% of your customers are going to be coming from the mobile, and if we switch it to mobile view, you can see that it fits perfectly right in the middle, and it kind of explains what the product does. I think I have an extra space right here, related products. We could just get rid of that because we don't have any, and it'll just get rid of the empty space over here. The next section that you want to add is an image of text. So for image of text, you want to go ahead and start adding an image of a customer using the product. So this is the image that I have over here. I have a couple people using the product and the product is on their knee. So the reason why you want to put 23,500 instead of like 25,000 or 20,000, it's because an odd number will seem more legit. So right after that, you want to go into a little bit more detail, and this is what I have. I have 95% customers reported significant relief to their knee after just 10 minutes of use. And 90% reported improved mobility and reduced stiffness. And then 85% reported sleeping significantly better after 1 week of use. And we could go ahead and get rid of the buy button because it looks really out of place. We're gonna go ahead and add another image of text. And for this image of text, we're gonna go ahead and include a chart comparing our product versus other people's product. So I found a really good image online, and this image is actually from one of my competitors. So whenever you find an image from your competitor, you actually want to go ahead and edit it a little bit. But for this example, I still have their name on top over here because I was still testing this product. But you want to go ahead and change it and also change the colors around a little bit to match your color. And for this last part, since we're comparing our product to other people's product, we want to go ahead and include a guarantee as well. So we did try 100% risk-free guarantee. So for this product, we actually offered a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're selling a really good product, you could go ahead and offer either like a 60-day money-back guarantee or even like a 90-day money-back guarantee. As long as your product is good, no one's gonna go and take time away from their life and return your product. So the last part of this is that you're gonna add some FAQs. So to add some FAQs on Refresh Theme, you're gonna go ahead and search up collapsible content. Basically, we're gonna change the name of this to FAQs, and the caption, you're gonna type in frequently asked questions, just like that. And for the collapsible rows, you're gonna have at least 3 to 5 questions that you're gonna go ahead and answer. And you can find these questions from Amazon. I know Amazon has an FAQ section, and you can literally just copy it from there. You actually want to choose doubtful questions. This is gonna help clear any doubts that your customers might have. So for this product, I have how long does it take to see results? So let's type that right here on the top. And for the icon, you want to go ahead and change it into a question mark because I think question mark looks a little bit better. Alright, so there we go. The first one is now question mark. And for row content, what this is that when you expand it, you're going to see some text on the bottom, and this is where you're going to put your answer. So for this, my answer was, result may vary from person to person, but many users report feeling relief from their knee pain within the first 10 minutes of use. Regular use of our knee massager can lead to long-term pain relief and improved mobility. For the next one, I have, can it be used for chronic knee pain? And we're also going to go ahead and change this into a question mark. And the answer that I had for this was, yes, the knee massager is designed to provide fast and effective relief from chronic knee pain. With regular use, it can help reduce inflammation and swelling, leading to long-term pain relief. So for the next one, I have, is it safe to use? And we're also going to change the icon into a question mark. And for the row content, I literally just took this straight from Amazon. So I have, yes, the knee massager is safe to use. It is a non-invasive, drug-free solution for knee pain, and it also doesn't have any side effects. And finally, our last question, I have, how does it work? Even though we explained it thoroughly in our description over here and even in our text, I still have it down here just in case people don't want to read the entire thing. Again, you want to go ahead and change this into a question mark for the icon. And for the row content, this is what I have. The massager works by applying heat, vibration, and pressure to the knee, which promotes circulation and reduces swelling. The laser and infrared laser therapy penetrates deep into the tissue to relieve pain and promotes healing. So there you go, guys. We're almost done building the store. The last thing that I'll add is a review section right over here. So right below the FAQ section. So for reviews, I like to either use Luke's, Ali Reviews, or Judge.me. In my opinion, they all work and they all look the same. For the logo, you want to go ahead and go into either Photoshop or Canva to design your logo. I personally use Photoshop, but I know that Canva is another really good tool, and they also have really good templates that you can just type in and it'll design a logo for you. So let's go ahead and go into mobile view so we can see what the mobile users see. And 99% of your customers are going to be coming from the phone anyways, so this is what you want to optimize for. And you can see that this store actually looks pretty good in my opinion. It's just missing a review section, like I said. You guys can go ahead and copy what I did on this store and apply it to your own store. And if you guys get a better conversion rate, let me know down in the comment section below. But yeah, make sure you use my link. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.